Gigi's or Glory's Mana or Nambindi, her only sister. I read something in Google or somewhere that a sister is a unique blessing that will last forever. It's been a year now that Gigi passed. It feels it's just a month or days ago. The last days or hours with her at the hospital, the memory is still very clear to me and her family. I miss her every day. Though I went on my daily routine, there were times that I find myself crying or that the choking lump in my throat is like while I was driving or just in between my break time or just seeing her pictures or just passing her face, just passing in my memory. Thinking and realizing that she's not with us anymore. I miss her quotes. She would usually start her statement ng being, "May chika ako sa'yo." I would feel anxious or nervous whenever she says that, because she might be saying news about her health or tests that were disappointing. But knowing her, she had a positive and hopeful attitude. Anyway, most of her chicas were about Filipino showbiz personalities. And even during her last days, it was the Katniel thing that time. It was trending on YouTube. Her passing has affected my perspective or realize that life is really short, that we have to take one day at a time. I'm also reminded by her courage and faith that in times of temporary or challenging situations, I can hear her say, "Laban lang ng fight, pray na tayo." Though in pain, she was still showing her positive attitude. To Aaron and Jed, she loves you so much. You were always in her mind and heart. She was thankful that God shared you to her. Thank you for the love and care you showed to our Burede, Bunso or our baby. To the Javier family, Fermin, and to her friends in Colorado, her workmates, thank you also for showing your care and love to her. For me, my brothers Bobo and Al, family and friends, she was one of a kind. We could hear her just even our lectures. Gigi's life or memory is going to be with us always.